Welcome to the Win With Math video. In today's video, we'll be solving this recursive sequence. We're given that a sub 1 is between 0 and 1, a sub 2n is equal to a sub 2 times a sub n plus 1, a sub 2n plus 1 is equal to a sub 2 times a sub n minus 2. If a sub 7 is 2, find a sub 25. We'll notice that there's an a sub 2n and a sub 2n plus 1. What separates these two is that one is an even number and the other is an odd number. So we have a with a subscript of even and a with a subscript that is odd. So let's look at a sub 7 since that's what's given to us. We have a sub 7, which has a subscript that is odd. So we'll use the a sub 2n plus 1. That's going to be equal to a sub 2 times a sub 3 minus 2. We'll substitute in a sub 7 equals 2. And then we'll add 2 to both sides to get 4 equals a sub 2 times a sub 3. Now we notice that we will need a sub 2 and a sub 3. So let's find a sub 2. A sub 2 has an even subscript. So we'll use a sub 2n is equal to a sub 2 times a sub n plus 1. And that gives us a sub 2 times a sub 1 plus 1. Alright. And then since we have a sub 2 on both sides, let's subtract a sub 2 times a sub 1 on both sides. And then factor out the a sub 2. And then since we're given that a sub 1 is between 0 and 1, particularly a sub 1 is not 0, we can divide both sides by 1 minus a sub 1. And that gives us a sub 2 equals 1 divided by 1 minus a sub 1. Also, since a sub 1 is between 0 and 1, then 1 minus a sub 1 is going to be a positive number. And 1 over a positive number is a positive number. So we know a sub 2 must be a positive number. Alright? And now we need a sub 3. So, since the subscript is odd, a sub 3 is going to be equal to a sub 2 times a sub 1 minus 2. Now, if we go back to the 4 equals a sub 2 times a sub 3 and combine it with the a sub 3 that we found, then we'll have 4 equals a sub 2 times the quantity a sub 2 times a sub 1 minus 2. And then we'll do something a little different with this. We're going to add 1 and subtract 1 inside the parentheses. Why we do that is because we know that a sub 2 times a sub 1 plus 1 is the blue part, just a sub 2. And then 1 minus 2 is just minus 3. So we have 4 equals to a sub 2 times quantity a sub 2 minus 3. We'll distribute a sub 2, and then we'll notice we have a quadratic in the form of a sub 2. Subtract 4 both sides. We'll factor it, and then we'll use zero product. So we have a sub 2 minus 4 equals 0, or a sub 2 must be 4. And a sub 2 plus 1 is equal to 0, so a sub 2 is negative 1. But since we found that a sub 2 must be positive, then a sub 2 must be 4. And we can reject the a sub 2 equals negative 1. Alright, so we found a sub 2. Now, we don't know where to go. So let's start with the a sub 20. Let's go with the a sub 25. A sub 25 is an odd subscript. So a sub 25 is equal to a sub 2 times a sub 12 minus 2. We know a sub 2, which is 4. But we don't know a sub 12. So let's find a sub 12. A sub 12 has an even index. Even subscript, I mean. So we'll solve this. And we get a sub 2 times a sub 6 plus 1. We know a sub 2. But we don't know a sub 6. So let's find a sub 6. A sub 6 has an even subscript, and that's equal to a sub 2 times a sub 3 plus 1. We know what a sub 2 times a sub 3 is. It's 4 that we found in the very first thing. So add that with 1, and we get a sub 6 is 5. And now we'll substitute in to find a sub 12. So we have a sub 2 is 4, a sub 6 is 5, and then we add 1 to it. So we have 4 times 5, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Now that we know a sub 12, we can find a sub 25. So a sub 2 is 4, a sub 12 is 21, and then we minus 2. 4 times 21 is 84, 84 minus 2 is 82. And from our problem, we're trying to find a sub 25, which happened to be 82. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button for more math content. Thank you.